Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about retail floor space. So what are the things have to be kept in mind? Because as we understand each and every space, what is available for retail store is really very expensive and it needs to be effectively and efficiently utilized. What are the things have to be looked into it? The first thing is you need to measure the total area of space available for your retail store. Secondly, divide this area into selling and non-selling areas. So selling areas are those areas where you're going to display your merchandise. Non-selling areas are those which will be used for the aisle, for the storage, for the promotional display, and for also for the customer support cell. Even the trial rooms in case of it's a clothing retail and billing counters. So this all area is basically coming under the non-selling area. So once you have identified the total area of space, then you need to divide into selling and non-selling areas. Thirdly, you need to create a planogram. So it is a pictorial diagram that depicts how, where to place specific retail products on shelf or display in order to increase the customer purchase. So it is like a map, or you can say it is like a blueprint, what you need to create, which is known as the planogram, which is a pictorial diagram basically that helps in depicting how and where the specific retail products needs to be placed on the shelves or it displays in order to increase the customer's attraction. Then allocates selling space to each product category. Determine the amount of space for a particular category by considering the historical forecasted sales data. Determine the space for billing counter by referring the historical custom volume data. In case of clothing retail, allocate the separate space for the trial rooms that is near to the product display but away from the billing area. So these are the things what you need to keep in mind when you're thinking about a retail store space. Then you need to also determine the location of product categories within the space. This helps the customers to locate required products easily. Decide product adjacencies logically. This facilitates multiple product purchase. For example, pasta sauces, spices are kept near the pasta packet. So what will go with what? That needs to be assorted and it needs to be kept together. Make use of the irregular shaped corner space wisely. Some products such as domestic cleaning devices or garden furniture can stand in the corner. Allocate the space for the promotional displays and scheme facing towards road to notify and attract the customers. Use glass walls or the doors wisely for the promotion. So these are the things have to be kept in mind by the retailer for utilizing his available space. When we say it needs to be used effectively and efficiently, these are the strategies needs to be updated or it needs to be adopted by the retailer. Thank you very much.